Lagi sana nating isipin na mag-benefit din ang iba, hindi lamang tayo, hindi lamang pamilya natin, pero minsan, maganda rin na isipin natin ang ibang tao bago sarili natin. Sa bawat blessing na meron kayo, make sure that before you enjoy it, try to help others first. Kasi it's only in giving that you will be receiving more. Gusto ko ring isipin nyo lahat ng sakripisyong ginawa nyo ngayon, lahat yan ay problema na dapat dadaanan nyo o mararanasan nyo, pero ngayon pinaramdam sa inyo, and successfully, you overcame it, you actually surpassed it, and okay ka. Mula sa araw na to, we will learn how to be more trusting, not with the people around us, but with the love of God and the protection of the cosmos. Let your enlightenment be your guide para magawa niyo ng tama ang lahat-lahat. Today, I will have more faith to the unseen. I will have more faith than myself, more faith, than the people around me. Kasi alam ko, and alam natin, na mas marami pang ibibigay sa atin.